Hey, what's up Cardano holder? Today video is gonna very special. Cardano is one of my favorite cryptocurrency. You everybody know this. So Cardano is very special and this is very fastly grow up. So this is absolutely a good news for a holder of Cardano. But and those days Cardano's not moving off. They're starting dumping. They're starting dumping. This is one big reason and I explained this a reason in this video. Don't skip this video. Before I start this brand video, I request you to please click on the subscribe. Subscribe is very important. You know why? This is one reason. Do you have subscribe? If you get subscribe ABS Tech channel, then I inform you every last hour, good result or bad result, everything about all cryptocurrencies. So this is good channel for you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Okay guys, so let's get started this brand video. So first of all, you can see here this is last one day result, and this is 1 day result. You can see here minus 0.16% goes down. So this is absolutely very bad change. You can and this is one reason that this reason I explain at every video about cryptocurrency. So the reason is that this is starting of month. This is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency is going down in those days. But you just wait for the end of this month. I hope the price is going up $10 absolutely $10. They can cross it easily. So just you wait for the end of this month. I hope they can easily cross it. Let's check it out the last 1 hour result. I hope the last 1 hour result is going up. So let's see. Oh my goodness, absolutely I am right. I hope day by day the Cardano result is going up, absolutely going up. You can see here this is last 1 hour result and plus 0.16% going up. So this is absolutely good news for a Cardano holder. Cardano holder, congratulations. Hold it, don't sell it, just buy it. This is buying time. So absolutely this is buying time. Buy it and hold it to the end of this month. Just sell it and I hope they can give you a good profit. So thanks for watching guys. Please click the subscribe button and like video if you enjoy the video. If you need this type more video, then please press the bell icon for videos notification. Love is take care.